Episode number 68, and we are entering the flat. This is the paneling which is going to be there in the common passage, so the aluminum framing for it. I'll be explaining the detailing very soon towards the end of the completion of the flat. This is the kitchen carcasses are all installed. Majority of them are installed. We'll be initiating with the loft framing and the loft shuttering work. MDB box and the adjoining area, there is a wall beautification which is happening there, so that also will be showcased in a day or two. Yes, he's Shrikesh, very ever smiling person of my team. So moving ahead to the kids bedroom, what you see is the extensive work going on in the kids bedroom, internal detailing of the wardrobe. This area, as I've already explained you, it's the seating area, come study storage, come folding study tables. Again, you're seeing the wardrobe work which is going on. So we are focusing on majority of the internal stuff is done. It is the external lamination what we have started, so gearing up for that. In the master bedroom today, it is all work which is happening all together, so it's in bits and pieces, so can't actually tell you one particular thing, but yes, it's all happening all over the flat, so entire carpentry is at its peak. So well guys, thank you so much. Do like, comment, share and subscribe my